Okay. Hi all. Good evening. Good evening, all of you. Thank you for joining. I see. Yes. Hi. Hi, bro. Thanks a lot. Good evening. And Omar. Yes, definitely we will talk, Omar. No issues. I think you have some project issues in DevSecOps. We will talk today. So this live is all about like I talk with you, you talk with me, right? Okay. Good evening. Waiting for the session. Yes. Thanks a lot. Good evening. Good evening, all. Great. So let's wait for some more time for the people to join, and then we will start like what exactly we are planning, how the project ideas will be, what are the planning that we are going to do, right? So those things will be pitching. Just give me 1 minute of time so that I can share you a few things here. Okay. Okay. So great. How are you all? Yes, yes. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. How are you all? First of all, let's talk about some things here. How are you all doing? Good. Like, how are the things going on? How is your job search going on? Yes. Hi, Satish. We will talk in a little bit of time. Today is only a Q&A session. I will not discuss anything. I will not open my pen tab or anything. So it's basically like live Q&A. So I have just come in to discuss with you few of the queries like your salaries or your placements, okay, or your resume, right, or anything you have any queries, you can ask me. So this is how I have kept for you. So today we are only discussing about the Q&A only. So let's get started. Yes, I'm good, thanks a lot. So today only queries we will take, and slowly we will go ahead one by one. So ask your queries, any questions you have before we go up. Hi, yes, hi Aman Bastia, right? People on LinkedIn, you can also tell me like how are you doing and all. So what is all about today's live is basically some questions. Okay, simple, your Q&A, your package related issues, your prime batch issues. You have anything you can ask me. I will be able to help you and guide you the best. Okay, so let's start with your queries. You can throw your queries at me, and I'll be making sure that I'm answering one by one to you all, right? And apart from that, we will also see some of the things which are very much important. Some job openings also I will show you. Okay. Okay. So let's start your Q&A, right? Okay. Hi, Sachin. Hi, how are you? Good. Why don't you create DevOps playlist? Yes, definitely I will do that. See, hi Praveen bro, I have enrolled in 8.0. You told that read only daily one document. I have seen, but without knowing anything, how we can understand those things? See, without knowing anything, there is their documents have not been uploaded. So there was level one, which is very basics, and level two, which is little bit more than the level one. So I have also not asked you to go over entirely all the documents. I have asked you like just take the look and feel of the documents, understand what is there, not completely. Okay. I did some freelance DevOps projects, but I do not have evidence like employment letter or certificate. So if so, should I those freelance projects on my resume? You can keep those freelance projects in your resume, but try to get some letter. As you are telling you don't have any employment letter, you can get some letters from some companies. Okay, try to get that, and make sure that from going forward also you can do freelancing as part of your learning or as part of your earning. But when you're doing freelancing, just try to make sure you are also spending your time in some company, right? Somewhere you get a job in a startup, maybe in a startup. So that should not be an issue. Okay, that's what I am also looking, Sai. So because I'll be teaching you from scratch, right? From the this Saturday we are starting the Prime Batch 8. So I'll be teaching everything from scratch. So don't need to worry. Okay, right. So I have 12.5 years of experience, but searching for job due to laid off from company due to cost cutting, but not getting interview jobs. Needs your assistance. So Sachin, see, for 12 years of experience, I can show you right away my job portal. Okay, in LinkedIn I can just open, many jobs are there. Trust me, you just need to put in the LinkedIn like a DevOps engineer or SRE engineer and search according to your roles. Even today also I got a call from JP Morgan and Chase. Okay, so calls are there. Only thing is make sure that your resume is a little bit enhanced with the projects. Okay. Oh, that's great. So I was reading your query only. Thanks a lot. Definitely. Thanks a lot for believing me. Right. Definitely we will work together. How I will switch from DevOps support to, okay, how I will switch from DevOps support to do the actual implementation. See, DevOps, you are already in the DevOps support, right? So don't need to worry. So only thing you have to do is some good projects which include your complete CI/CD, some good projects which include some automations. That both the things are very very much important. You include automations, you include CI/CD, you include Kubernetes, right? These three things are very very much important for 2024 DevOps engineer. You include CI/CD first thing, okay? You include CI/CD, you include automations, and you include the Kubernetes and Docker, those part. Oh, very very much important in nowadays. How much time does need to DevOps learning from scratch and DSA required for a product company? See, a very interesting question, this one. For product companies, yes, you need DSA. You need to make sure that you have to upskill. Little bit DSA is needed, not completely. It's not like coding. No, it's always like you work on your skills first. First, you need to know DevOps. It will take around 3 months of time, maximum 2 to 3 months of time, not more than that. From scratch, if you are giving like 4 hours per day, 5 hours per day, learning only DevOps, then it will be very good, right? And next thing, DSA is like medium to easy level of DSA you need to prepare. Okay. I belong to batch 8. I am having 2 years of bench experience. I got laid off few months back due to recession. Is it possible to get a job in DevOps by asking I worked in Yes, that is very true. But only thing is you need to complete all the things as we focus, as we go ahead, right? So very very much important is, see, I see that many people are here who have been laid off and they are trying to get jobs, which is very sad. But yeah, we need to work hard. We need to make sure that we continuously apply the jobs. We try to make sure that we get some jobs at some particular point of time. It takes little bit efforts. It takes time. It needs proper mentorship. But thanks a lot. You took 8.0. I'll be definitely helping you. Yes, it will be job oriented, Saurabh. And definitely it will be a job oriented. So that's what I have been always telling to the students and the people. You can just see in the LinkedIn how the students have told, what are the comments they are giving, what is the feedback that they have given, right? Very very much important, all those things. How to tackle 90 days notice period where manager is not agreeing for early release? This is one interesting question. Okay, so I have done, see, I have released a video with Mandar Pranav on my channel. Mandar has also 90 days notice period. But what he did, you can check from the yesterday, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I have uploaded. You can check that. You can relate to yourself, like how you can upskill or how you can manage your 90 days notice period. Okay, that is very much important. So you have to make sure. Saurabh, yes, that's a job oriented sessions we have. And the course is also job oriented. I think I have told you this, right? Okay, any more queries you have, guys? I am a mechanical student. Yes. What are you doing? You are now a mechanical student, or you are doing the engineering? Which year you are? What is that? I want to see. Okay. Tech Quiz Hub is asking, but don't know where to start. All your need guidance support. Okay. So Quiz Hub, if you check any video description, okay, there will be one link. Okay, so try to check that links. There will be documents in our descriptions. There will be many many things. Just check any video link. You will get so many links where you have free documents, you have free templates, where you have free resume templates also. You have your projects, and you have obviously the prime Telugu batch also. You can check from there. Okay. I'm confused whether I will move further as a technical manager, as an individual contributor, or as a 12.5 years experience. My current role is into handling team as I'm billing, so individual contributor role as well. See, Sachin, always make sure you have to be ready for both the roles. Okay, now we don't have a job, so we need to be making sure like, yaar, kuch bhi aaye mere ko job do bas. Whether it is a manager role, whether it is a normal your individual contributor role, you have to make sure that you get those things. Okay. So yes, Saurabh, I have told that this answer I have given. You can join the Prime Batch 8.0. No issues in that, because we are dealing with the from scratch. We are talking, right. I'll be teaching you from scratch. Everything will be from scratch. Beginner to advanced people can join. People can learn, understand what you are looking for in 2024. What companies are looking for in 2024. Okay. Can you help DSA in product-based company in Batch8? See, I will be teaching medium level of coding questions which are related to DevOps. Will not touch completely DSA. Will be touching Python, DSA related things. So I think complete DSA, if you want to learn, you can go with Love Bubber course, or some other course which you are aware of. But this is purely Python. We'll be teaching with Python, and some scenario-based questions we will be taking, and also we'll be trying to understand how to do coding in terms of DevOps. Okay, that is very important. Hello, sir. I'm learning DevOps, and now I'm going to start with Kubernetes. Great. So, how much should I take? How much should it takes me to learn? As I have listened that it is a little bit hard. See, in DevOps, Kubernetes is hard. That's obvious, true, and Kubernetes is vast. So, I would suggest start with some projects first. Try to understand those projects and start with one Kubernetes project where you are doing some Kubernetes deployments, where you are trying to understand what is scaling, what is a pod, what is a manifest file. These are some basics. Once you do the project now, you will be very much understanding कि यार क्या हो रहा है, उसके बाद पढ़ाई करिए. I think that is very important. Hi Paul, that's very good to see you. Thanks a lot. Okay, so many questions I'm getting. Okay, 1 month is enough to learn and practice 5 to 6 hours? No, not 1 month, Satish. I have clearly told it will take 3 months minimum, 2 to 3 months minimum, if you practice good 5 to 6 hours per day. Very, very much important. Okay, Praveen is asking, hey, I am 5 a.m. If I miss class, do we get the recording videos? Yes. Praveen, if you miss the class, you are going to get recorded videos on the same day. Yes. So guys, you can definitely enroll Prime Batch. From Saturday, we are starting the classes, right? I hope you know these things. Yes or no? You all know this, that from Saturday we are starting the Prime Batch, right? And very, very much important that you have to be there. Okay, and you have to make sure that you can actually come up with the things, and I'll be sharing this link. Okay, I'll be definitely sharing that link to you right away for the Batch 8. You can just check also, and I can show you, I can give you a walkthrough also. Okay, definitely I can give you a walkthrough. All of you see my screen as you are asking for the Batch 8 details. I can definitely share you. All of you see here, this is the English course which you have to hit. Once you hit, this will be your Prime Batch 8, where you will be able to see all the things here. It will be basically Azure and AWS. So two of the clouds we are targeting here, and 14 projects I'll be teaching with you. Here you are going to get quizzes and extra assignments. If you want to see the demo, how I teach, how I gather the students, how I try to make them understand what is DevOps, what is SRE, how the projects are, you can check this. You'll be getting these projects. 40 LPA was the highest package in the previous batches, and you will obviously get live and recordings. The classes are starting from this Saturday, guys. This Saturday will be your first class, right? So 2+ months you will be with me every day. You have to learn DevOps and SRE, and also like Saturday and Sunday the timings are, you can see here 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and also like dedicated doubts clearing session on Wednesday 8 p.m. IST. Okay, so the course which you take today, this will be valid for the next 2 years, and once you enroll today, you will be getting almost level 1 and level 2, which you have to unlock. You have to read all the things, and it's completely beginner friendly. So if anyone is here who is looking for upskilling, who is looking for making sure that okay, there are things which I need to learn, you can definitely enroll here for Batch 8. And guys, I hope you all know that this prize was running from very long time. So by today, okay, by today, you can say like until this timer is there, the price will be this, and we are trying to upgrade the prices. Even on if you remember, like on the India match day, we have released the offer also, right? So many of you have enrolled, many students have been the part of previous batches. If I go here on the placement stories, right? You can search with any one of the name on the LinkedIn. People try to tell you like what exactly they have learned with us, what exactly they are going with this course, understanding the pipelines, trying to get jobs as a fresher, 200% hike, 400% hike, placed in Canada, right? So people are there. People are there. It's not like people are not there. So definitely, those who want to upskill, very simple. Those who want to upskill, those who want to be with me for the next 3 months, 2 to 3 months, I will be definitely helping you. Okay. Hi Praveen, I am giving DevOps engineer interviews for, but can't able to crack. Can you give me some tips? Okay, if you are not able to crack interviews, I would suggest you check this YouTube video playlist. Complete playlist will be on your how to crack DevOps interview. Okay, so this complete playlist, if I click on this, you can see all my company's interview experiences will be here. You just take this link, you start referring to this link. That will be very, very much helpful for you to crack any kind of interview. And still, if you feel that no Praveen, I am not able to crack, you can definitely join Batch8. It will be very good for you to learn. Okay. Right. Sir, as a fresher, what type of project should I make in cloud DevOps domain to add in resume and to make it best? See, it's a very simple question. Okay. So for a fresher, only three things people note: one CI/CD project, one automations, one Kubernetes. Okay. Even for the experienced people, try to look at in that perspective only. I would like to see how many people are actually watching me over LinkedIn. Okay, 30 people are watching. So for freshers, the simple thing is, yeah, only three things you have to keep: one CI/CD, okay, one CI/CD as a normal one, okay, and then you have to keep like your automations, which is very, very much important. You keep heading as automation. Try to showcase your DevOps automations under that slab. And third one is Kubernetes project. So these three are very much important. Okay, how can we say the previous experience in another domain after learning DevOps? How we can tackle the question? See, Sai Teja, first to answer this, I need to know how much years of experience you have, right? So without that, I cannot tell. So that is very much important. I need to know how much years of experience you have previously, and based on that, I can tell you like what exactly you have to look for. How much salary can we expect as a DevOps engineer for 2 years, and how much hike we can get if our current salary is 4 LPA? This is kind of a good question. Now see, for 2 years experience, you are at 4 LPA. Okay, now if you see, there are two slabs under this. One is like service based company, one is like product based company, right? So service based company has less package. For 2 years you can get up to 6 LPA, 8 LPA. For product based companies, you can get up to 12 to 15 LPA. Anything between that, you can get it. Yes, yes, definitely. You have what are the projects? Okay, so let me show you. Some person is asking, Praveen, what are the projects that you have kept? So guys, these are the projects which we are going to learn from this Saturday. So if you are enrolling today, you have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to complete level 1 and level 2 documents. Okay, and level 3 also will be there, which will be unlocking for all the students who have enrolled earlier. Okay, now before you join the class, you have to see what projects we are completing. For Jenkins, how many projects are there? 2 projects. If you see for Kubernetes, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 projects. So Kubernetes 5 projects. If you see AWS, there will be 2. If you see Terraform, there will be almost like 3. If you see Azure, there will be again 1 or 2. So every stack which you need, if you see Python, okay, there will be one complete automation tasks there will be there. Okay, so these kind of things which are there will be for you. And not only this, for job guidance, you have resume templates, interview questions, mock interviews with feedback, each project roles and responsibilities. And not only this, you will learn these tools with me. Okay, so simply these are the things which you have to see. Yes, Linux is also there. Obviously, without Linux, we cannot go further, right? So that is very important. Linux as a project, yes, that is there. Okay, so okay, for the Telugu batch, there will be no Telugu batch as of now. Okay, so whatever you get, it's purely on the English only. You will get it. Yes, you can add it. Sai Ganesh, you can definitely add it. No issues in that. You can definitely add this project. Okay, you need to have AWS and Azure cloud subscription, Sachin. So both the clouds we need. I will tell you in class. So don't worry. Okay. Hi Praveen, I am 2 years of experience in DevOps role, but there are no opportunities. How to see this phase? Is there opportunities for 2 years experience? Hi Praveen, I am with 2 years experience guy in DevOps role, but there are no opportunities. How to see this phase? See, okay. So first thing first, I always search various kinds of job portals. I always search in LinkedIn, InstaHire, Naukri. Found it. Apart from that, I have recently found some more job portals like jobic.com. Okay, and some other job portals are also there, which I have shared in Instagram yesterday, or YouTube also I have shared. So just check that. For 2 years also, you always need to check first Naukri. Naukri is like your playground to play. Okay, LinkedIn is like actual job hunt. So Naukri, I think very good. It will help. Yes, Guru is here. Are giving training in real time scenario? Yes, we know that's very true. So we are trying to cover all those things. I gave 2 to 3 interviews, and every day they need Python. Yes, Sachin, in 2024, Python is the most important thing. I am 100% confident that without Python, for an experienced guy, clearing interviews is very much difficult. So Python is definitely important. So that is a part of this batch for sure. Okay, so you don't need to worry. As I didn't done anything to DevOps in last 2 years, how to answer questions related to project? See, why are you struggling? Why are you thinking about that phase? I will tell you, wait for next 2 to 3 months. I will give you certain projects. I will give you certain roles and responsibilities. How to add those things into your resume. How to talk to the people and all those things. I will tell. Anyways, I see you have enrolled for Batch 8, so I will definitely help you. And guys, those who want to enroll for Batch 8, this is the link for you. Guys, you can check. Fresher can also join, and an experienced person can also join. So both the people can always join here. Okay, great. So Mohan, as I have told you, please follow that. I think that will be very helpful for you. Okay. Yes, cloud-based CI/CD projects are there, Shankaran. Okay, 2 years in Windows. Okay, you have 2 years in Windows. It's okay. You can put like 1 year into DevOps, 1 year into Windows, right? Or 2 years into DevOps also is fine, depending on your capability. Okay. Can you share? Okay, I will share at the end, Omar. Not now, because I have to take queries with respect to the people. So I will take queries right now, and then I will also. Okay, so Guru is telling all the best to everyone, right? So those who have who are looking for job. So tell me honestly, like how many of you are looking for job? People on LinkedIn and people on YouTube. So almost like 70, 80 people are watching me. So how many of you are actually looking for a job? Let's think like this. In next 2 months, name job kodtanu. Ledante like I will be ready for the job. I'm looking for a job right now. I want to increase my package. I want to move to a good package. Yes, everyone, right? Everyone wants to get a good career. Everyone wants to upskill. People on LinkedIn are always shy. They'll be always feeling like, yeah, if I message here, okay, if I message here, my manager will come to know. How many of you are in that fear, Kiar? If I message something, my manager will come to know. Anyone is there? See, guys, never bother about if anyone thinks what they think, what they don't think. Okay, right. So what we have to always focus is what we are doing right now, how we will overcome this, and how we will upskill ourselves, and how we will get the best opportunity in the market. That's it. Okay, that's the only goal you need to have. Okay, now Sachin, you are telling you are an immediate joiner, right? So you see, just I was actually looking for some things here. Uh, I saw like one Microsoft opportunity. Okay, so I can show with you all some job portals also, like job opportunities. My screen is not present, right? So I'll share my screen to you all. So just see here. Okay, all of you see here. So guys, LinkedIn is best platform for anyone who is looking for a job. And you see here how many jobs I have applied in the last few years. If you see, almost like 1,200 jobs. Okay, you see here, and all the jobs will be product-based companies. Almost all like product-based companies. If I click on applied, right, all the jobs will be of product-based companies. And you try to understand, Product based companies have more weight than the than like you can apply these companies, right? Microsoft, 𝐼𝐸𝐵, Schneider Electric, Oracle, Rakuten, Arista Networks, and so many job companies are there. And if you go to the recent job applications, site reliability engineer 3, DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer 2, all right? So there are many. See, ClickBuzz. I always come and show to you all like, yeah, see, Sachin, you can apply to this job. So Mamata, I know her. Okay, so when I was giving the interview for Grow, she was my HR. Okay, so I think we have not connected, but I can connect with her. So she was my HR when I was giving the interview for Grow. I think for this position only I was giving. Okay, so see guys, staff software engineer, Google Cloud, for 8 years of experience, right? So you need to look for the opportunities. That's it. So there are senior site reliability engineer. Okay, senior site reliability engineer 3 days ago, over 100 applications, 6+ years of experience. Okay, so I don't think your jobs are not there. Jobs are always there with you, right? Sachin, yeah, definitely. Like, see, I'm 100% sure like jobs are there. Jobs are there. It's just like you have to go, you have to hunt. If I go here, see, if I go here, jobs are coming, guys. There is, see, Visa, okay, American Express, Philips, right? See, jobs are there. See, LinkedIn, I think LinkedIn is also like very good. Staff software engineer, systems infrastructure. Grab, this is like very good company, mostly like your like same like your oh, Grab is here actually, like every grabber is guided by the Gab way. Yeah, correct. So Grab is basically a very popular app in the outside countries. Okay, so you can check that. So there are jobs. I'm not telling like there are not jobs. Okay, so I'll stop sharing. I will take quickly the questions here. Okay, so how to take the revision of all the things? Yes, jobs are there, but yeah, so interview calls are not coming. So, but we need to make sure that they are coming to us. What is the timing and date for the batch 8, and the classes will be daily or weekend? So, Indian Agarwal, the timings for the batch 8 is 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Wednesday and Saturday and Sunday weekends, and Wednesday you will have doubts clearing session. Okay, 8 p.m. IST. So every weekends you will have class morning, and every Wednesday you will have 8 p.m. IST classes. So you can check all details here. This is the batch 8 link. Best method is narrow down search and apply. Yes, that is also good. Okay, Pranav is telling I have 4 years of experience in different domain. I want to switch to DevOps. I have enrolled to. Sure, Pranav. See, that's where I'm going to help you. That is for sure. Okay, so don't worry about that. How to practice all DevOps tools or AWS services, as some of these services are paid. See, only Kubernetes service in AWS and Azure are paid, but initially, whenever you take a new account in AWS and Azure, it will be free of cost. Okay, so we don't need to worry. We have to take the new account, and we have to practice on that, and then go for the complex solutions like Kubernetes and all. Okay, so Shrikant is telling, thanks, Praveen. I have joined a mid-scale startup as a DevOps engineer. Thanks for your. I am part of that batch. Please accept my invitation on LinkedIn. Shrikant, send with a note. Right now, send with a note. Shrikant is telling he's from batch 8. Okay, so he had joined the mid-scale startup from batch 4. Sorry, he was from batch 4. Okay, so he has joined some startup. So Shrikant, when you are sending me a request, please try to send, or because so many people come, so I cannot accept that, right? So I have to check. Career gap Wallaki, yes, you can join Appal Raju. So that's what I am telling. Guys, you can definitely join, and please do share resume. Let me refer in my company as well. Yes, someone is talking with someone, I think. So yeah, please help, guys. That's how you will help each other. We will come to know yaar kya ho raha hai, market mein kya chal raha hai. Sachin, I think someone is trying to help you. So connect with them. Can you explain day-to-day real-time projects? See, if I am working in Walmart, my day-to-day responsibilities. Okay, I will tell like this. My day responsibilities as DevOps engineer at Walmart. Okay, this is what I think you are asking, and I will make it simplify for you. Okay, so usually in Walmart we take care of the CI/CD applications. We try to onboard various kinds of applications onto our platform like supply chain. We try to deploy all the applications onto Kubernetes, and we when we are trying to onboard, we create various kinds of files like Jenkins file, Docker file, and your Kubernetes manifest file. Apart from that, I was a SRE engineer also, where I take care of the monitoring of various kinds of applications which we deploy on the infrastructure. Apart from this, sometimes I do production support, right? And apart from that, mostly like chatbot automation. So we were a team where we were building some chatbots. So we were trying to develop those also in Node.js. So overall, it's like automations, DevOps, SRE, and some kind of coding also. So these were my things. And yeah, if you have come to my channel for the first time, I would request you to subscribe to the channel and hit a like. Okay. And if you don't know me earlier, and you don't know like what I do, what I teach, you can definitely check out my my links here. Okay, tell me like how many of you are interested to enroll for Batch 8? Anyone who is here like, okay, Praveen, I'm with you. I'll try to enroll. Anyone is here like who is watching me live, who is like telling us it's starting for Apple Raju, it's starting from this Saturday, guys. Okay, 3 days to start 8.0. Okay, it's starting from Saturday, 6th of July. Okay, great. Okay, anyone else? So I will know your names, right? So it will be very, very happy for me to know your names. People on LinkedIn also. Okay, I didn't give the LinkedIn people link, so let me check. I was only into this jobs and all. So guys, people on LinkedIn, if anyone is interested, you can definitely enroll, and you can talk with previous batch students also. See, honest thing is, people who complete the 4 years will get the degree. Okay, so that's how the job platforms are, job market is. That's how the things also goes. Okay, so I'm not sure why my laptop became so slow. Batch 8 only focus on jobs in India, also for people from other countries. So 𝐄𝐫𝐴, see, for other countries, I'm not aware. Okay, but what we can do is some links which are available for the other countries like job portals and all, we can definitely discuss. Okay, but I have students from Canada, USA, UK, South Africa. Okay, so and all those people are here with me. Okay, in the previous batches. I want to start my coding journey. See, coding is basically you can start with Python medium level questions, and then you can slowly move towards the advanced level of questions. Okay. What is your question, Ryzen? I have not seen. Sorry, Ryzen's. Okay. So, sir, what should I do exactly with the level 1, 2, 3? Straight away read it or just learn it? I can understand what exactly to do. There are commands also. Without practice, it's not. Correct. Don't do any practice. Just see those things. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay. I don't know like when you have enrolled. If you have enrolled today, I would suggest only complete level 1. Okay. If you have enrolled 10 days back, I am expecting you to go over the documents, write down whatever you are understanding. Okay. My ask was just to write down whatever you have understood. Don't go deep because you don't know like what is there in that. Okay, so my ask is just to learn, just to understand, just to skim over the documents to know like what is DevOps, what is there, right? Yes, we know. I will be giving the training from scratch. That is my guarantee. Okay, when I'm enrolling for Batch 8 book slot, it's opening the same page, not moving further. How should I book the slot for this course? Okay, see, you have to click on this link. Okay, Batch 8 link. You have to come to book your seat now, and then it will redirect to your payment page. If anyone is having issues, you can take this link I'm giving you again. Okay, so you have to click on this, book your seat now. And if you are trying to open from mobile, don't try to open from mobile. You can visit the website if possible. Okay. Could you please add one more resume video? I am a Java developer for 2 years. For 2 years and studying for DevOps, but not able to understand. Can I? Yes, Akshita. Very simple. What I am trying to say to you is, if you see the Batch 8 curriculum, right? What kind of projects? I mainly target the projects and the teachings. Okay, so those who are here, you have to click on this link. You have to say book your seat now. Once you say book your seat now, it will be taken to your payment page. You can opt for this also, tool-wise DevOps interview questions from product companies. It will come for 9 rupees. If you don't want, you can skip this and you can do the payment. Okay, so there is no issues. Course is starting from 6th of July, which is like 3 days left. 14 projects, bonus on resume and personal branding, live doubt clearing session, 60 plus hours of total content it will be. Okay, so those things are here with Damodar. Yes, you can join. Okay, this I have given the links, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, I have 3 days back. So if you have enrolled 3 days back, just make sure that you go over the things which are there in the documents. Just skim the things, not completely deep. Okay. After batch, can we start freelancing after good experience? Yes, Ritesh, that's very sure. You can definitely export the fiverr.com website for the freelancing, which is very, very good. Okay. Yes, recording videos will be available once you complete the once we complete the live, right? So you see here, recordings are available. Once you complete this live, you will be able to get the recordings. That's for sure. And guys, if you want to enroll, you can enroll before this time is going up. Okay, and the course cost is 4,999, and also like if you get anywhere this much cheap, you can go and take. So there is no issue. Level 3 is not unlocked for me. Yes, level 3 will be unlocked once you complete level 1 and level 2. If you feel that level 1 and level 2 you have complete, for level 3 you have to wait for one more day. Okay, great. Just go that. I think that is very good, right? Okay, so yes, so I think I have taken all of your questions. I am from MBA background. Is that possible to get a job with MBA background? Yes, you can get it. No issues. No issues in that. I belong to batch 8. After learning this course, can we place in product based? Bhavani, that's a very small question which you have asked. Okay, so I would say for getting placed into company, right, we are not giving like direct you go and sit there, right? I'll be teaching you, you will be working with me, you will be understanding with me, sitting with me, trying to complete the projects, applying to the company. Your confidence, the way you are answering, the way you are replying to the interviewer, the way you are clearing round 1, 2, 3, 4, all those things matters a lot. But I am definitely 100% sure that if you join this batch, you will be coming out as a complete DevOps engineer, and trying to make sure that you are sitting in the interviews confidently. Okay, and guys, those who are watching on LinkedIn, please share this video with your friends. Okay, so whatever the efforts we are keeping, you can share it with your community. You can tell that, hey, Praveen is here to help you, right? With okay, I have some small thing for you. When we invest on ourselves, right? We invest on ourselves like small amount, right? That small amount is giving us gratitude with some package, right? So that is what I feel, and I strongly believe that if you want to achieve something, you have to spend on yourself. Okay, right? That is very important. Yes, it will be project oriented. It will first theory and then practical. Okay, first you will understand theory with me, and then the practical you will be doing with me. Yes, you can join, Mahesh. No issues in that. You can definitely join. Is it possible to switch after 14 years? See, Kabir, so you will be as a manager right now. Okay, so 14 years means we can keep like 10 plus 4, 10 plus 3, or 11 plus 3, 9 plus 5, something like this. Yes. Okay, all your doubts clear? Okay. So I think that's very important, right? So that's what the agenda is mainly. Omar, are you here somewhere? Omar, you dropped off. Are you here? Okay, that's fine. I think he dropped off. Okay, nowadays more people are looking for AWS and DevOps for no deep program. Is it necessary to get a certification? Because AI tool also involve AWS. See, for AWS and DevOps, people are not like they need certifications or something, right? People are actually trying to understand how much knowledge you have in DevOps and SRE or cloud. As of now, AI, you can keep it aside. Okay. Yes, Umar, can you ask your question here? Like, what is the error you are getting? What is that question you have? Can you tell me? I know that you are facing some DevSecOps pipeline issue, but what is that error you faced? Can you tell me? Like, can you put in the chat if possible? I know, like you told like SonarQube is not going ahead, right? So for SonarQube, there are two things to note. Okay, one, you have to check that whatever the token you have generated in the SonarQube, you are adding in that Jenkins is correct. Second, you have to make sure that the security groups of the EC2 instance are correct. And third, if still issue is there, you need to requested access to the resources. See, Omar, that's a very basic thing. Requested access to the resources denied, then there is a security group issue. You have not opened the ports, or where your Docker is running, there is some permission issue. Okay, you have only given me this link, this thing, requested access to the resource denied. Now I need a complete thing. When you are running a SonarQube, is it giving in browser? It is giving where? So what you do is try to copy that error and paste it in the chat. I will show how to troubleshoot the same error in the Google. If you are giving me the full error right now in the chat, I will copy that error and paste it in the Google, and I will do the Google search for you. Okay, no issues in that. Okay, so guys, anyone who is interested to enroll, now we have talked almost like 1 hour. Okay, so anyone who is interested to enroll, no, you cannot screen share here. That is not possible, Omar, right? Okay, anyone who is willing to enroll. Okay, so guys, one final call. Okay, so classes are starting on 6th of July. Okay, which is like Saturday, 3 days the class to start. You can come here, join, complete all the levels. The first class is in Saturday, and refer your friends also. It is just very less price, guys. Okay, and when you go out, you spend some money, right? So very less cost it's coming. Try to complete all the levels which have been given in the website, and recordings are always there. Beginner friendly, English language, and 14 projects. Okay, so I think I have done my part. Okay, and make sure that you are joining. I am unable to. Am I able to learn complete DevOps with project? Yes, Abhilasha. Tell me your years of experience. How many years of experience you have, Abhilasha? If you tell me the years of experience, I can tell you like what exactly you have to do. Okay, so guys, thanks a lot for joining. Okay, so make sure that you are joining this Saturday, the first class. Okay, 3 days to go. I'm very much excited to see you all in batch 8. I wish you all come prepared with your notebook and pen before the class, and just try to make sure that you learn some things from the documents which are attached in the website. Don't just blindly come in the class, and we will rock this Saturday at 9 a.m. Okay. Yes, Vinod, you can switch. Okay, you can switch. Can I use my NOC engineer to get into DevOps engineer role? Yes, definitely it will help. It will help you. Okay, so thanks a lot for joining this live. And whatever the issues you are facing, first try to Google it. Omar, I'm telling to you also. Copy paste that, right? And try to make sure that you are working. Okay. Yes, thanks a lot. Okay. Okay, great. I'm waiting for Saturday. Yes. You can enroll from here. Akadala Sai Kumar. This is the link. You can enroll for the batch 8. You can be with me in next 2-3 months. You can learn with me in English. It will be okay. And 14 projects we are trying to cover. Okay. So great. Thanks all for joining this live, and please refer your friends also. If anyone is here who is trying to upskill a job, understand new things, you can enroll. You can tell them, and in next few hours the price is also changing. You can be with that. Okay, right. Thank you all. Please take care. Bye. I am ending this thing. We'll meet soon. Okay, and people on LinkedIn, you can share the post with your friends and help them also.